Hi, my name is Alisa and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Hydragenix before purchasing the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. Oh, the first thing you need to know about Hydragenix is beware of website from which you will buy Hydragenix, because Hydragenix is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is Hydragenix and does it really work? And the answer is yes, Hydragenix works, and after many lab tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that has gradual weight loss. So yes, you can trust this product. Many people are having great results with Hydragenix and you can also has results. However, you need to keep in mind that each body reacts in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm saying this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test Hydragenix for a 30-day guarantee product, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for whatever reason, they will refund your money. Also, for Hydragenix to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day to get the gradual weight loss without complications, or else you won't see great results and you will be a little frustrated. You may see initial results within the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months of using this product. Also important for Hydragenix has no side effects as it is natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy Hydragenix from, and also if you buy the product, you do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else's because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you and me. I also hope that Hydragenix really helps you a lot your physique and satisfaction.